Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
Now, I want to go to, I've talked about re, I will still write it down so that I'll be able to see do, mi, re, so I'm still giving some examples. Now, we still have mi, the sign of mi, okay, that is, it will go up, greater, down, you do your hands like this, greater, down, that is the sign. What is me? That is me, you put it up, me. Now ba, we said ba. I want to write it to be able to know ba. The other time I said take ba. Now I say ba. What is ba? It's as if that you beat somebody. Ba. Me. Ba. You could remember that this one is consonant sound, and this one is vowel sound. B is consonanti. A is Faweli, which is vowel in English. Ba. Now, so. The other time I said so. Sleep. Now, so. What is the meaning of that so? That is shifts. Maybe shift a little bit. So. Me. You call it out, you call it in. Me. You can see that the tonation is very straight with that. It matched that sound, the one you call inside. Now, da, mi, so, ba. Now, another one, to. I'm still using the same words. The other time I said to. You rate. Now, to, something that is long. They could say that this one is very long something. To, last. Something that is last. To, me. Now, this one is me. I want to join it together now to see it. Me. This is me. The sign is like this. Now, do. The sign is like this. I want to make the same words like this. This is re. I've told you, and no sign for re. Now, let's call it. This is me, da, do, ba, sorry, do, da. This is re, ba. This one is also me. You can see me. So I've told you, just like shift a little bit. So sleep. Do. Re. So maybe you are smoking something, so they will not say so. That is, maybe you are smoking meat, whatever. Re. So you can roast a yam, just like maybe you are in Yoruba they call it fun. Now mi to, I told you something that is long glass. To, you want to urinate, you are urinating. Re, to, maybe you are jumping. To, re. Now let's call it again. Mi, do, re. Mi, do, re. Mi, do, re. You can see now. We still have more examples. Yes. Now, for example, now I said I want you to have the same letter but different pronunciation.